Red Base, how are you? Today is Friday, and I know how much children in Red Base love Friday. That's why today we're going to be playing lots and lots of games. Yeah? But let's start our phonics lesson with the voices sound. Remember, you are really good at your voices sound. I would like you to say what you can see while doing your actions. Do you think you can do it? Should we do it really faster? Yeah? Right, ready? What's this, everybody? Well done. Let's see. What's next? Well done. Next one. Fantastic. And next one. Don't forget to put your lips together. Well done. And next one. And last one, getting your beaks ready, please. You have done amazing. Well done. Now, give yourself a round of applause, please. Well done. So, who can remember what have we been doing this week? We have been looking at the the initial sounds. Well done. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if anybody know what is the initial sound for my name. I got two initial sounds. Yeah. Remember? Miss. Sarah. Well done. I wonder if you know what is the initial sound for your name. Have a think. Fantastic. Well done. You know so good all the initial sound. So that's why today we're going to play this game. I'm going to show you different pictures and I would like you to tell me what is the initial sound. If you can see in the picture, uh-oh, we have lost the initial sound. You think you can help me? Right, what's this, everybody? Mug. Well done. Oh, hold on a minute. What is the initial sound for mug? Well done, everybody. Are you ready to chop the word? Ready? Og. 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 Your turn. I would like you to clap the initial sound and tell me the rest of the word. Ready? Og. 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 Mug. Well done. Right, let's see what's next. Let me see. Oh, what's this, everybody? Bat. Amazing. What is the initial sound for bat? Well done, everybody. B, 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 b. It's not ba. Yeah, it's b, b, b. Well done. Can we clap the hands? Yeah? Ready? B, at. B, at. B, at. B, at. Your turn. Fantastic. Right, let's see what's next. What's this, everybody? Well done. Now I wonder what is the initial sound for cow. Well done. Now I wonder if you can clap your hands by yourself. Yeah, remember we're gonna clap the hands by saying the initial sound and then the word. What is the initial sound for cow? Ow, well done. Ow, 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 ow. Well done. Right, let's see what's next. What's this, everybody? We went on our head. Fantastic. Hat. What is the initial sound for hat? Let's have a think. What is the initial sound for hat? Right, ready to clap your hands? Ready? Huh, at, huh, at, huh, at, huh, at, huh, at. Well done. Right, ready for the next one? Almost this, everybody? Pan. Well done. Ooh, what is the initial sound for pan? Well done. Yeah, right. Ready to clap your hands? Ready? Pan, 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 pan. Let's do one more this time. You're gonna do it by yourself, okay? I see. Oh, what's this, everybody? Well done. Tap. What is the initial sound for tap? Have a think. Well done. T, 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 t. I would like you to do it by yourself now. What is the initial sound? T. Up. Well done. T, up, t, up, t, up. Fantastic. Right. Thank you for helping me today and looking at my picture while saying the initial sounds. Remember, you can play this game by looking what is around you and saying the initial sound, yeah? For example, I got here a book. I wonder what is the initial sound for book. Ooh, so in my case, I'm gonna do book, book, book. Can you find something that is inside your room that you can chip the initial sound and say the rest of the word? Yeah? So maybe you can play with your mommy, with your daddy, your brothers or sister, and don't forget to take some pictures or video and put in tapestry so I can see how good you do it. Right, I hope you're having a lovely, lovely, lovely weekend and I will see you next week. Bye!